There was a family just a while back that turned around and said they didn't want to continue anymore because they saw a wild coyote out here. I told them to be careful. I said, all right, I'll be careful. I mean, if there's a coyote or some kind of animal in these brush, it's like, really? I can't see it. I can only really trust on my hearing instincts. I saw some photos before I came out here. I saw some photos of this trail. Somebody took a picture of a nice mountain lion. That thing was very large, huge. Now, if I saw that, real attack, that cat would scare me. It ain't no twin of the tiger. Oh, look at that. Yeah, there it is. He's around here somewhere. There's a lot of wild animals out here. Basically in the marina sand dunes, and it's a huge, like, wildlife, like, refuge. This would be the old military barracks. Still some remnants around here. But to be honest, I would expect to see more wildlife out here by now. Like at the other trail. I've seen a bunch of birds, cows, goats, sheeps. Ain't nothing out here. I can hear some birds in the distance. And some rodents running around in the brush. That's about it. I mean, I haven't even seen those rodents. Maybe some rabbits, maybe squirrels, lizards. We gotta turn around on this one. This is quite interesting. There's a little pile here. Not sure what that is. It's unique because it's a little pile there. Nowhere else does that pile exist on the trail. Shoot. I forgot which way I'm supposed to go. I think this way. Oh well, go this way. But one thing about this place, that there's so many trails and they all kind of connect together. I've never seen anything like this, where there's like, it feels like 100 different trails all like intertwining together. I'm sure in a few feet ahead we're gonna find some other trails connecting to this one. So if I'm off path, I can always just reconnect through another trail. Oh, nice. That's the view. Look at that. What did I say? A bunch of trails. Another one going down that way, and that way. C36. Actually, I think I might have to go that way. No? Well, first let's take a look at the view. Look at that. Wow. All right. Getting closer. Know he's around here somewhere. Where you at, bud? Look at this place. Wow. Probably be up in a tree. I wouldn't even know it. Oh, I can't see. The light's blinding me. This path doesn't look like it's been used in a while. Keep looking back. Sounds like there's something back there. Nice. This is a nice spot right here. Okay, the path cuts. Shoot. I want to say it's this way. No. 31. Is it supposed to turn at 31? I don't know. I think on a shoot. Gotta pause. Alright, so yes, I'm supposed to take C31. That leftover mushroom, bud. Aww. It's all withered away. It's pretty cool. So that was a bird. But where are they at? I see spider webs, gnats. I hear them, but I don't see them. I want to see at least one bird. Smells like something sweet. It's these guys. Ooh, these guys got thorns. Whew. Don't want to mess with these bad boys. Ooh. Ooh. Okay, let me. That's not these guys. Wow, these things are super sharp. Oh my. Look at that. Oh, oh. Got me. Wow. Is this the same one? No. Nope. I mean, but it does have some sharp edges. That looks like teeth. That's wild. Yep. Here we go again. Man, I think I'm gonna have to go straight. Yeah, because I know it's not that way anymore. And I don't think I'm going back. So we gotta go straight that way. So this is C31 left and right. C31. I think we took C31 and we just went all the ways up, then came all the ways down this path. Now, oh, what was that? There's something large moving in those bushes over there. Something's crunching stuff out there. Crunching on the brush. This might be somebody else walking over there. Wow. I hear it. I hear it walking. I don't see it. Okay. Well. Yeah, well. It's a bummer. I was hoping to see something pop out, but no luck. Still moving around over there. Now somebody's been here with a bike recently. This is fresh tread tracks. I don't know if you can see that. Watch. Bunch of mushrooms that are squashed. You know, I'm surprised that the animals don't eat the mushrooms. Maybe deer. Maybe the deer, but I don't think there's any. Maybe there's deer out here. I don't know. I need to look up what kind of animals are out here. we go. Another cross path. It's actually annoying. It's a little bit annoying. That's C28 and C30. Alright, according to All Trails, we're taking C28. That's the app that I use. Wait a minute, let's see, 27. Oh, I'm gonna go this way. Why do animals like to do that? Like to poop on the trail? There's so much place that they can go poop in the bush or something. You gotta poop right on the trail. Ooh, that's interesting. Take a picture of that. Again, smells sweet. I wonder if it's the leaves. I don't know. I don't know what it is. Big patches of sweet aroma. It's not the whole way through, like on the entire trail, just some spots. There's another path right there. About to connect with this one. Looks like there's 3 other paths that are connecting here. Ooh, a bunch of shoe prints. Alright. C28. That's C26. We're going that way. Alright, we got time. We got about 30 minutes. 30 minutes of trail time remaining. Hey, looks like we're up on the road now. Huh. Yep. This is a neighborhood. Oh, what? What? Oh, I guess the trail keeps going that way. Ah, how interesting. I don't know if you can see it. It says West Camp. Interesting. Okay. Oh, there's a cyclist. He was right behind me. So I'm guessing I just keep following this path. Wait a minute, I might be wrong. No, I can't be wrong. No. Nope. Just keep going, These guys are going this way. This has got to be the way. As a matter of fact, I saw these guys pull up when I was already starting the trail. So they parked in the same area I parked. So now I know I'm going on the right path. If not, I'll just go back to All Trails and find out how I can get back to the car. All I know is I'm about 30 minutes away. Almost there. Wow, look at that. Man, talk about allergy season. Oof. Or maybe these things don't throw pollen. They have to. Look at that. Mega pollen attack right there. Whoa. Where'd these guys go? 1, 2, 3. Oh no. Somebody's yelling over there. Oh man, I guess I have to pause and find out which trail to take. I guess I have to go left. I took a wrong turn, kind of like a shortcut. I guess I cut off a little bit of the trail back there a little bit. That's fine. Those were some ponds back there. Maybe there will be animals here. Sure. I'm way too far away from that to go back there. So here, supposed to take the left path. Left again. I hit the main path. And then just go right. Let's see when we get there. I just noticed something. That looks like a restroom. Looks like a restroom, doesn't it? I kind of want to go take a peek. But it's always good to know the restroom's right. Yeah, that's the restroom. Now the question is, where am I at exactly? Oh, these are clean. Very good. I don't stink. Very good. So there's no sink. Just bring Your own water, I guess. Oh, very good. Very good. Okay, shoot. Okay, I'm lost. Gotta check all trails. Alright, you see the restrooms over there? All trail says that I should take that trail. C44. Or that trail. Go back into the trail. Oh, I just noticed that. There's a big sign over there. Let's see what it says. Ah, that's the main road that we passed by earlier. Gotta get back. Maybe it's like 15 minutes. Sergeant McDonald Trail. Ah, yes. So here we're gonna go all the way straight until we hit Virginia Road, the entrance, and then turn right. Oh, more cyclists. Guess I should get a bike, come out here and hit these trails. It's a very easy trail, especially for bikes. Oh, there's a restroom rest area right up there.
Say what?
A restroom rest area right up there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Appreciate it.
Yeah. It's my good deed of the day. Alright, alright. Trail there. See what? 54. Oh, look at that. Nice little hop. Oh, hold on a second. We finally got some prints. What kind of prints are those? Look at that. How small that is. Trying to see if there's any more prints. Nothing. It's gone. It probably just went off to the side. What does it say? All trails closed unless marked. I don't know what that says. For something, vehicles, information call for ESCA RP hotline at 831-883-3506. Well, trails can't be closed because everybody's using the trails. Oh, there's another hop right there. Am I on the bike trail? I think I'm on a bike trail right now, bike path. I think I'm going the wrong way on a bike path. Whoopsie. Gotta get up way up to that top and then turn right. That's like the entrance right there. I finally made it back to the entrance. Sergeant McDonald Trail. Started off with Jerry Smith Trail. Came back on the Sergeant McDonald Trail. Oh, and apparently it still keeps going. Oh, but this is our stop. The one thing about that trail is that there's too many other trails and it's easy to get lost, sort of, because they all kind of interconnect with each other. So in a way it's easy to get lost, in a way it's not. Unfortunately I didn't take the exact path that all trails had assigned for me, but still made it back, no problems. Oh, I did see one bird on the path. That was it. The entire time, I just saw one bird. Nothing else. I can hear them. They're everywhere, making all these birdie noises, like the birds do. They make little chirpity chirps. But I don't see them. It's too difficult to spot. And all this brush. It's alright. It was not bad. It was not bad at all. I have to come out here a few more times to get more acquainted with these paths. There's too many of them. But I made it back. I think that was like an hour, maybe an hour and a half at most. That's it. That is the, oh, here. U.S. Army munition cleanup. With of course another Cooridor National Monument. Where were we at? I think. Munition hazards. So apparently there's still a lot of landmines. Not a lot. There's still landmines here, so that's why they say stay on the path. Don't leave the path because it hasn't been properly checked in its entirety for landmines. Yeah, that's it. I definitely have to come back, conquer this again.